Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful two-story home is located in the well-sought-after community of Twin Palms Estate in Clarendon. This community is gated, which also offers security, privacy, and is located close to many amenities. The property has 5 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms in total, which includes a self-contained section on the bottom floor, which is perfect for renting. The land area is 0.19 acres. Some other features include garage area, balcony with views of the surrounding areas, backup water tank, walk-in closet, spacious kitchen with breakfast area, living and dining space, etc. This property is definitely a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US $259,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.